Hey NCLTECH family, today I'll show you how to keep your PC or laptop update daily. Let's get started. Right, firstly open your start menu and click on settings, then go to update and security to the bottom. Okay, click on Windows Update. Here you will see if there are any updates available. If there are, click download and then install. Sometimes your system will download and install the updates. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the updates are installed, you may need to restart your computer. Make sure to save your work before you do. Remember guys, make sure to connect your PC or laptop to the internet. As you can see, I've already connected to the Wi-Fi. And that's it. Updating your PC or laptop daily ensures your system is secure and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tech tips from NCLTECH. Thanks for watching. Stay updated with NCLTECH.
Proudly brought to you by NCLTECH.